Ever notice how things often break at the most inconvenient times? It could be frustrating and very costly. This is certainly true of your home's air conditioning, heat pump, or heating system. Like a car, your system needs regular maintenance. Also, like a car, it will last longer and perform better with scheduled maintenance, saving you money on utility bills and adding years of life to your system. The good folks at Comfy Air offer a one-time annual maintenance plan called the Comfy Air Club. The best value is you receive one annual tune-up every year. Benefits included for club members: a zero diagnostic fee, regularly $89, 15% off all repairs and new equipment, VIP front-of-the-line service, and lifetime warranty on all repairs. Annual club membership is just $99. Save money and avoid inconvenience. Call 512-883-2626 and become a club member today.